Hi lawyers! Happy day to you glorious, amazing brains at work out there in the United States. Today I'm giving 3 tips about your Google Maps listing. Google Maps is one of the top ways that people find you and become new clients. Whether you're a law firm or you work for a law firm or you work in a law firm, everybody's practice needs new clients. And so today we're going to take a moment right now and I want you to Google your practice area and the town where you want to get clients and see what shows up in a search. So what usually comes up is ads, which are now dubbed LSA, local service ads. And then next you'll see the Google Maps. And getting into the Google Maps 3-pack, which is also known as the snack pack, is crucial for local businesses like yours. It's really important to be prominently displayed in there because there's only 3 businesses that relate to the user's search query. Getting into those top 3 means that you've got to use some strategy. So let's go ahead and look at my Google Maps 3-pack strategy for you today. Number 1, optimize Google My Business listing. Ensure that your business is listed on Google My Business and claim and verify your listing. Provide accurate and up-to-date information about your business and include your name, address, phone number, business hours, and all the categories that pertain to your practice area. Complete your profile. Fill out all the relevant sections of your Google My Business profile, including compelling business descriptions, services you offer. Make sure you have high quality photos and videos in there. The videos can only be 30 seconds long, so that's important. And then make sure that your business information is consistent across all platforms. This is really important. Number 2, local search engine optimization. Include relevant keywords in your business description, services, and posts. Use keywords that potential customers are likely to use when searching for your business. And that means what you just searched on, like your practice area and where you like to practice law. Ensure that your business's name, address, phone number are all consistent across every platform, including your website, social media profiles, and all local directories. Consistency helps Google trust the accuracy of your business information. Build local citations by getting your business listed on online directories, industry-specific websites, and local business associations. These consistent citations really help improve your local search visibility. Customer reviews and ratings. Encourage customer reviews. Positive reviews can have a significant impact on your local search ranking. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews on your Google My Business profile. Respond to reviews, both positive and negative, to show that you value your customer and client feedback. Maintain high average ratings if you can. Finally, remember the algorithm determining the Google Maps 3-pack ranking is complex and it considers a bunch of factors. While these strategies that I've just given you can improve your local search visibility, results will vary based on your competition, your location, and your practice area. If you want to work with us, we'd love to hear from you. I have personally worked with over 176 law firms on marketing projects alone since 2009. And I was a litigation secretary, intake, an office manager. I've done pretty much everything except practice law. And yes, I'm a musician. I play lead guitar in bands on the weekend. That being said, I'm totally in awe of you guys, and I'm studying law myself right now for the first time. But my true expertise is really helping you grow and streamline your law practice. If you have any questions, let's have a Zoom chat and get to know each other. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you next week.